Hello, hello. I just wanted to come on here quickly and say hello. So if you don't know me, my name is Sarah Vie, and I am a internationally three-time best-selling author. I am also the host of my TV show, Living Abundantly in New York City on a CBS station, WLNY New York. And I have the most distinct privilege to be invited back to the Dream Inn for my retreat, Living Abundantly retreat, April 25th through the 27th. I'm so excited. So I just wanted to say hello, and if you are considering or you're kind of on the fence, I just wanted to give you a little inside nugget of what we are going to do together. And it is all about being together, being connected. And this year is really focusing in on our inner abundance, because I really believe when we are feeling internally abundant, we then attract whatever it is into our lives. And I've been my own guinea pig in a way, because I was not the way that I am now. I didn't feel the way that I am now. And I wanted to give you the 360-degree way that I changed everything in my life. I'm going to be sharing with you my brand new book, The Sacred Plate. And we are going to kind of dive into the 360-degree energy of our life plate. So I would be so honored to be able to share this with you. And I am beyond excited that I get to do it again at the Dream Inn, April 25th to the 27th. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you.